Good morning, class 4th. Today we are going to read third part of chapter 3, that is we can sense. In the previous class we have read about some sense organs such as eyes, ears and nose. So in this class we are going to start from tongue. So I am going to read the chapter. The tongue helps us to taste. It has many taste buds which help us to sense different tastes like sweet, sour, salty and bitter. The tongue also helps us to speak. So, tongue is very helpful to taste different food articles. Tongue has many taste buds, or you can say taste point, which help us to sense or to identify different tastes like sweet, sour, salty and bitter. The tongue also helps in speaking. Now Ria wants to know, name one food item that tastes. So class 4th, you have to do this homework in your notebook or copy. You have to tell one food item according to its taste. Now in salty, you have to fill a food item which has salty taste. In sweet, you have to fill a food item which has sweet taste. In bitter, you have to write a food item which has bitter taste. In sour, you have to write a food item which has sour taste. Now grandma says. Now let's see what grandma telling to us. Gargle after every meal to keep your tongue clean and mouth smelling good. So we can clean our tongue and we can remove our mouth smelling by gargle after every meal. Now about skin. The skin helps us to feel sensation like hot, cold, rough, smooth, hard, soft and sticky. Our whole body is covered and protected by the skin. So our body has a protecting covering which is known as skin. It helps in maintaining the body temperature by the process of sweating. So our body maintain temperature and releases water vapor in the form of sweating from our body, or you can say that body maintains body temperature by releasing water vapor in the form of sweating from the body. Now fact art. Skin is the largest sense organ. The color of the skin is due to the presence of a substance called melanin. So there is a pigment which is known as melanin which is present in the skin. So because of melanin, some people are fair and some people are not fair. Now you can turn the page. Grandma asks. So let's see what is grandma asking to us. Why should we not touch electrical switches with wet hand? So the answer of this question is we can not touch electrical switches with wet hands because of water current can flow in our hands and from hands to our body, so we should not touch electrical switches with wet hands. Now question number 2, why should we keep sharp and hot object out of the children's reach? So the answer is sharp objects can cut children's skin and hot objects can burn children's skin. So there is necessary to keep sharp and hot object out of the children's reach. So class 4th, that's all for today. We will start from fun time in the next class. Thank you class.